In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom meeting link and invite others. By the end, you'll be able to start a Zoom meeting right in your browser and send a clean invitation through email so people can join with one click. First, open your web browser and go to zoom.com. This takes you to Zoom's homepage, where you can start a meeting without needing to download anything extra. If you aren't already signed in, Zoom may prompt you to log in, which is normal. Next, look for the option to host a meeting. Click Host. Zoom will prepare your meeting and, depending on your setup, it may offer to open the desktop app. For this walkthrough, we'll stay in the browser. On the page that appears, select Join from your browser. This is the quickest way to launch a meeting without installing the app. Your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone and camera. Grant permission if you plan to speak or be on video. If you're just testing, you can leave your camera off for now. Once the meeting window opens, bring up the Participants panel. Click Participants along the toolbar. This shows who's currently in the meeting and gives you access to invite options. Now, click Invite. A window will appear with several ways to share your meeting. To send a standard email invitation, click the Email option. This keeps everything tidy and includes the meeting link automatically. Choose Gmail as your email service. Zoom will open a new browser tab with a pre-drafted message in Gmail. The subject and body will already include your Zoom meeting details, like the join link and meeting information, so you don't have to format anything manually. In the To field, enter the participant's email address. You can add one person or multiple recipients if you're inviting a group. Take a quick moment to review the message. If you want, add a short note with context, like the agenda or the time zone, but don't remove the join link that Zoom inserted. When everything looks good, click Send. Your recipient will receive an email with the direct link to your Zoom meeting. As soon as they click it, they'll be guided into the meeting through their browser or the Zoom app, depending on their setup. That's it. You went to Zoom, hosted a meeting in your browser, opened the Participants panel, chose Invite, selected Email, picked Gmail, added your attendee's address, and sent the invitation. Keep this flow handy for quick, on-the-fly meetings, and you'll be sharing Zoom links in seconds.